Divorces happen every day, and when it happens to you, it can be really confronting. It can change your life upside down. It can feel like the end of the world for some people, like the carpet's been pulled out. Especially if two people are in different places, if one maybe doesn't want it to end and the other is clear on the ending, or even worse is when two people are really clear on its ending. Divorce is such a big topic. It's something that none of us go into imagining it will happen. So if you're someone who has faced a divorce or know people who have, it's life-changing. It has such a big impact on not only on our external world, but our internal world. And when people come to me facing a divorce or on the other side of it and struggling to keep things together, I really can see that it's a step-by-step process for them. So how do we get to that place of the divorce? Of course, we have to look at why two people marry. Some people really genuinely married because they thought that was the one. And it can be that one of them thought that and the other one didn't and wasn't honest about it. It can also be for other reasons. You know, obviously we have actually probably 50% of the world is arranged marriage. It wasn't even a choice. But in our Western culture, when we're facing a divorce or going through a divorce, on the other side of a divorce, it turns everything upside down and it really impacts our identity and who we are. So the reason why people get married is really important. It's for love, and if they really felt that it was the person, and then year or years later they realized this is not the person I had originally thought I was marrying, or things just didn't work out the way that we had hoped, or things start to reveal themselves in a really ugly way, which can happen in relationships, where one is really trying to do repair and the other is not able to, for whatever reason. When these things go out of balance with such a big disparity, it's really hard for couples to stay together. And we want to feel that we can have a deeper love and deeper connection and deeper trust with the person that we're marrying. And if that's not there, then all sorts of things can come out of that. Control, possessiveness, jealousy, betrayal, and deceptions. When things get played out and they're not honest and direct and cleaned up. So when that starts to happen, divorces are on the rise. When we can't hear each other, feel each other, connect to one another, when we feel that that person's not really present with us anymore, all sorts of things get played out in the unconscious. People start having love affairs. People start to think that, okay, well, he or she doesn't love me anymore, so I'm going to go where I feel someone really cares for me. Is it the behavior that we want to be seeing in a marriage? No, not really. Is it what we want to address and be honest about? Yeah. I'm realizing that I don't feel that you're present in this relationship, and I'm realizing that it's creating a separation in me from you, and I'm noticing that I'm not looking at you with the same love and affection that I did months or years ago, and something needs to change because I want to make this work. Those are the kind of conversations you need to be having. And when they're avoided and not addressed, things will start getting played out in the shadow. Things will start getting played out, and the other person will eventually feel it, or the marriage will pay the price for it. So it really depends what kind of marriage you want, the quality of marriage you want, the depth and honesty of the marriage you want. I have a deep respect for couples who want to make it work. And I know it takes time, energy, commitment. If you really want to have a breakthrough, then you need to really be having those kinds of conversations. That I miss you, I miss us. And some people even grieve the loss of the loved one while they're still in the relationship because that person's not there anymore. Then have the conversation. And if you're scared of losing them, well, you've already lost a part of them anyway. And so by having that conversation, you raise your chances in seeing that something might happen, might be done differently. Thank you for watching. If you feel to comment, feel free to do so below. You can even share the video or drop us a like.